If you need to reset two-factor authentication on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure while you make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to reset two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. This section contains all the security settings related to your WhatsApp account. Step 4. Select two-step verification. Within the account settings, look for two-step verification and tap on it. Here, you will see options related to your current two-factor authentication setup. Step 5. Disable or change PIN. You can either disable two-step verification by selecting Disable and following the prompts, or you can change your existing PIN by selecting Change PIN. If you choose to disable, you may be asked to enter your current PIN for verification. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication settings will be updated. Remember to set it up again if you wish to enhance your account security.